Today we talk about currency. Money, that is coins or notes, as a medium of exchange is also known as currency. Currency is the modern version of the barter system where people exchange rice for oil, cows for donkeys, etc. Currency as a medium of exchange was adopted owing to its consistency and ease of use. There are four primary factors that determine the value of a country's currency. The first factor is demand for a country's goods and services. This is one of the most important factors as it makes a country's currency sought after and attractive because good quality products will always attract customers from all over the world. Quality products also command a better price. Take goods produced by America for an instance. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Apple, Ford, Tesla are some of the examples. Goods and services remain one of the main reasons why the American dollar has done so well over time. Second factor is the country's debt, which is also a very important factor. High levels of debt can lead to high inflation rates, which can trigger a devaluation in the country's currency. The debt to GDP ratio is an important criteria for measuring the strength of a currency, other factors being equal. The ratio is used to gauge ability to repay its debts. The third factor is interest rates. Higher interest rates in a country increase the value of the country's currency. Why is that so? Because higher interest rates will attract higher foreign investment, which increases the demand and value of the particular country's currency relative to nations offering lower interest rates. Lower interest rates tend to be unattractive for foreign investment and hence decrease the value of the country's currency. Fourth factor is political and economic stability. If a country can achieve successful balance of interest rates without accompanying increase in inflation, its currency value and exchange rate are more likely to rise. Political instability thus can result in capital flight from a country, making it unattractive. Recent example being the coup in Turkey, which made the currency fall. Thank you.